What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to remove water spots from glass. Now, I'm a professional detailer, and water spots, just like all of these, are some of the hardest things to remove. This is actually on glass right here, and that's really what's ruining this entire vehicle. Now, I have some intense lighting here because the water spots are very, very difficult to see. If I turn off these lights, you might not even be able to see them, okay? That's how difficult water spots are. But then, so you're washing your car, and then you don't notice these water spots, but then you take your car out into the sun, and look, you see all these water spots, okay? So water spots are actually embedded on the glass, right? I've actually tried to clean this already, and they don't come off. So I'm gonna show you how to remove those using this product right here. This is called the Magic Water Spot Remover. Now, we actually designed this just to solve this problem. We actually didn't find any product that was able to do a job to solve this, so we actually made our own. This is a sprayable water spot remover, and it removes these water spots. Now, we're gonna show some up-close images of the water spots, how they are on there, and let's show you how to remove them. Now, this product will actually work on paint, it'll work on chrome, it'll work on metal, it's great on glass. And if you have glass that's not tinted, you really need to consider using this product to clean the water spots off the glass. So how to use this product? The first thing you want to do is spray the product, or spray the car with some water. This is just some water in a bottle, and we're just going to spray the surface with water. Now, the Magic Water Spot Remover has mild acidic cleaning properties. So what this is going to do is this is actually going to start cleaning the surface using the mild acidic properties. So you don't want to let this sit too much on the glass. You want to kind of use it while it's wet and then clean the surface right after. So we're going to take our Magic Water Spot Remover and we're just going to spray some on the glass. There we go. And then I'm actually just going to start working this product in. Okay, now I'm literally scrubbing the glass with this product, and I'm using the towel to scrub the glass. Okay, now you have to do this while it's wet. And this is actually dissolving the water spots. That's why this is like a super cool product. Okay, move to the other side. There's another side that's not on the camera that I can't get as much, but I'm gonna do it in the same process. And you don't need a lot of the product, but you need to just spend time scrubbing the surface good with a towel, okay? Now, after you've scrubbed the surface completely, you need to come back with your water, okay? And the water is gonna rinse out and it's gonna neutralize the acidic properties that are inside of the cleaner, okay? Now, once you've done that, let's go ahead and just take another microfiber. You can get a different one. I'm gonna use a different color because I like to know which one I used when I dried it. And let's just dry it out. And you notice already, the glass isn't drying as good. And we need to inspect it and see where we need to scrub a little more, okay? Look at that. That's actually really good, okay? And I don't know if you guys can see, like, look how it actually pulled away the water spots. Now, my towel is like filled with product, it's filled, but it's actually pulled away almost all of the water spots, okay? That's what's incredible, right? And the window looks a little hazy because you need to come back with glass cleaner and you need to crisp up the window, right? Because it's glass, you need to use glass cleaner. This is gonna leave some streak on there. We're not gonna get a streak-free finish, but let's just focus on what we're looking at here, okay? I'm gonna maybe try to move the camera a little bit over here. There we go. You see how we eliminated all the water spots on there. We'll go up a little bit more and you can see, okay, we eliminated the water spots, right? There's a few that are down there at the bottom, and I'm actually gonna spray the cleaner again, and I'm gonna scrub those a little bit more because those just need to be scrubbed with some agitation to make sure that I got all the spots off. So let's go ahead and wet the surface again. Spray the cleaner. We'll use a little more this time. And then we're just gonna scrub. I'm actually gonna use a different towel this time that's more dry. Oh, see, now I'm scrubbing much harder, and I'm actually feeling it clean the glass. And I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm going to spray a little more on there. The scrubbing is what is like cleaning the glass. There's like a thick residue of water stains on this glass. I can feel it. And as I scrub harder, I feel the water spots go away. Now the scrubbing is doing work too, but the chemical is doing majority of the work. It has to be like scrubbed in and activated. Okay. See a little bit more over here. And now I need to rinse with water. So I'm going to try to pull this on camera to get you a good shot of that. If you guys look, all those heavy water spots, they're all gone. I hit it with some glass cleaner, but if you notice, you see some like streaks and stuff. Those are actually on the inside of the glass. A little bit harder to see on the camera, but like those streaks right in the center of the camera, those are like dead on the inside. We haven't cleaned the inside of this glass yet. But that's already an incredible thing. And those water spots were hard to remove. Like they weren't coming off with polishing. They weren't coming off with anything that we could try on it. And so we used the magic water spot remover and that handled it, right? Okay, so here's the job finished when we were removing the water spots using the magic water spot remover. Now I wanted to show you guys after I finished the complete job because I actually had to come back and use some of our Masterson's glass cleaner just to get that crystal clear glass. This glass has no tint. So if you see, all of the water spots are completely gone. And if you guys remember at the beginning, there was crazy water spots. There's glass right here. We'll actually open the door and keep the light on that. There we go. So you guys can see that is glass. The glass is there. You can see the reflection, okay? But it's really, really, really clear because we use the water spot remover. Let me see the water spot remover. Yeah. We got the water spot remover here. There we go. And then we use the glass cleaner. So if you're trying to remove water spots from glass, this is really the trick. And you guys see what it looks like. Amazing stuff, guys. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you next time.